Hello children, welcome back to your science class. So children, in our previous class we had discussed about the reactivity series and their positions. Today we are going to discuss about interaction of metals and non-metals. According to the octet rule, an atom whose outermost shell contains 8 electrons is stable. But in case of small atoms like He and H, which presence of 2 electrons in the outermost shell is considered to be the condition of stability. Now octet rule is of course there, where 8 electrons should be there in the outermost orbit. But there are some small atoms where only 2 or 1 electron is there. So this is nothing but a very important table which you have already studied in class 9-2. Name of the element, its symbol, atomic number, electron, distribution in k element shell and its valency. Atoms combine with another to form inert gas. Electrons arrangement. An atom can achieve inert gas configuration in the following way. What are the ways? By losing one or more electron, by gaining one or more electron, by sharing one or more electron. So these three possibilities are there. Noble gases do not usually form bonds with other elements because they are stable. So you can see how the chemical bonding takes place. In case of NaCl, Na comes together, gives its one electron and they form NaCl. CO2, there is sharing taking place between carbon and oxygen, and this way the structure is formed. Properties of ionic compound. Ionic compounds form crystals. Ionic compounds form crystal lattice rather than amorphous solids. Although molecular compounds form crystals, they frequently take other forms. Crystals typically are softer than ionic crystals. Ionic compounds have high melting points and high boiling point. High temperatures are required to overcome the attraction between positive and negative ions. Therefore, a lot of energy is required to melt ionic compound or cause them to boil. Ionic compounds have higher enthalpies of fusion and vaporization than molecule compound. Ionic compounds are hard and brittle. So these are the different properties of ionic compound, where just as ionic compounds have high melting and boiling point, they usually have fusion and vaporization. So ionic crystals are hard and positive and negative ions are strongly attracted to each other. The electrostatic repulsion can be enough to split the crystal.